We are up early in the morning because today we are heading to the city of the Bay, San Francisco. First time nating bibisita sa city na ito, kaya expect to see the usual destination first-timers visit here in San Francisco. But before we proceed, if di ka pa nakaka-subscribe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this vlog helpful. Maaga pa lang, umalis na kami ng bahay. Coming from Sacramento, it will only take us less than 2-hour drive to reach our destination. Did you know that San Francisco was only established during the Gold Rush era noong 1849? Its rapid growth and diverse population fueled an electric blend of Victorian architecture, steep rolling hills, and thriving art scene. Siyempre pa, kilala ang lugar na ito for its famous Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and its historic cable cars. First destination na pinagdalhan sa atin nila Doc ay ang famous Castro Street. Situated in the Castro district, this place is renowned as a historic epicenter of LGBTQ+ culture and activism. Recognized as one of the world's first gay neighborhood, it gained prominence during the 1960s and 70s, becoming an emblem of LGBTQ+ rights and acceptance. Almost every corner ng street na ito, makakakita ka ng mga vibrant rainbow flags. Ito rin ang perfect place if you are looking for various LGBTQ+ owned businesses, bars, and if you want to see the iconic Castro Theater. Siyempre pa, you can be who you wanted to be in this place. Kita mo nga lang naman ang dalawang ito.
Zoom in on them. Why are they? Oh, here. Yes, they are. Really? That's their lifestyle.
From Castro Street, we went straight to Twin Peak Boulevard, which is the perfect place to see the 180-degree view of the Bay Area. Rising about 922 feet above sea level, ang Twin Peaks, named Eureka and Noe, ay kilala di lang ng mga turista, pati na ng mga nakatira sa city na ito. On a clear day, makikita sa peak na ito ang different iconic landmarks tulad ng Bay Area, the Pacific Ocean, and even a glimpse of the Golden Gate Bridge. We spent a few minutes in this place to take photos and went straight ahead on our next destination, ang Golden Gate Park. Spanning over 1,000 acres, sobrang laki ng Golden Gate Park and is actually larger than New York's Central Park, kaya we don't really intend to go around the whole place. There are also fees to pay in some of the gardens if you would want to go in. Visitors can explore the Japanese Tea Garden, the Conservatory of Flowers, the California Academy of Sciences, and the Young Museum, which houses a remarkable collection of art. Nung bumisita kami, we just went around and even found a gathering where people can freely dance along the music. From the park, we drive north and visited the famous Palace of Fine Arts. It is located in the Marina District and was built noong 1915 Panama Pacific Expositions. The centerpiece is a grand rotunda surrounded by columns, reflecting in a serene lagoon, creating a picturesque scene that's a favorite among photographers, artists, and visitors seeking tranquility. Pero alam niyo ba na ang structure na ito was intended to be a temporary exhibit? Pero dahil sa popularidad nito, it led to its reconstruction in permanent materials. Today, the Palace of Fine Arts hosts various cultural events, art exhibitions, and is a serene spot for leisurely strolls, picnics, or simply basking in the beauty of its architecture and surroundings. And because it was past lunch, dinala naman ako nila Doc sa famous Fisherman's Raft, just to have a taste of the famous chowder soup and bread. Passing through the Golden Gate Bridge, my host decided to visit one of the famous national parks here in California, the Muir Woods National Monument. This is one of the best places to visit if you wanted to see century-old trees. This forest sanctuary, known for its towering coastal redwood trees, some of the tallest on Earth.
To each other under the ground, sprout to another one.
This park offers several hiking trails catering to various skill levels. If you were up for it, remember to bring a bottle of water because some areas could have been challenging to hike.
He's alone. Oh, don't let him fool you. I feel like from Twilight, I'm gonna rip its throat out.
And because Doc Eddie and Allen have been visiting Muir Woods regularly, whenever they are here, they already discover a perfect spot to take photos. Driving along Frank Valley Road, we visited the Muir Beach Overlook, which provides a stunning vantage point along the rugged coastline near Muir Woods in Marin County, just north of San Francisco. This overlook offers a breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, featuring dramatic cliffs, crashing waves, and a picturesque panorama of the coastline. It's a popular stop for visitors exploring the area. Pero buti na lang, when we visited, walang masyadong tao. And actually, that ends up my day trip here in San Francisco, California. Honestly speaking, napakadami pang pwedeng magawa here, but unfortunately, medyo bitin ang oras natin. After this trip, we are moving to Los Angeles. How do we get there? Find out on our next video. But before I end up today's vlog, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this vlog. A day before heading to San Francisco, Doc Eddie, Allen, and I, along with some of their friends, did an early morning pickleball game. Did I win? Nah, maybe on the next game. Until our next trip, this is Nug in the City, signing off.